No more introductions, let's go straight into it. The first part of renovation is cleaning out the room or cleaning up the room. I already took all my clothes, makeup, dresses to my parents' room, so that's where I will be staying. And here's how my parents' room will look like. I'm so sorry, Mom and Dad. And yeah, so I'll just be showing you a little bit of clips of the before of the room and how it turned out, just to kind of like show you guys what has been done or how it progressed too. So this is the before. We removed the wall and partition. So yeah, let's go to the after a month. So today I'll be showing you guys my room. So it has been already a month since they started construction, and I'm so excited because this is what I really worked hard for. But that it cost me a lot of money, so I'm really broke. So this is my bed. I'm kidding, this is not my room.
Oh wait, ooh, hi.
I know.
Kitty.
It's not my room actually, but this was part of the construction, and it used to be this really old shack. It's really ugly. I mean, now it's like the flooring, the paint, everything. It looks really nice. So that's our room. Now I'll show you guys. I already have it before. I'm gonna show you guys in this clip. And this is the after of that before. You know what I mean? I don't want to speak so much English because like, no sleep. Anyway, almost done. This is our guest room. So when my siblings go home from wherever they're from, New Zealand, US, Singapore, at least they have a place to stay. And perfect. My mom told me I should get this room, but outside now. I don't like this big space because I'm just a simple girl, you know. Basically, we didn't change much on the doors. We just repainted it, and the doorknobs still the same. I want to say thank you to my cameraman over there, Simon, for being such a wonderful. Okay, so let's go in the room. Just a simple room. Come in. So the first thing you will see in the room is this really big mirror. I'm so sorry my bra is showing, but whatever. I got this mirror from SM, and the one thing that I like about this is that it's just, you know, it was on sale. That's the one thing I like about it. It was only, I got it for, instead of like 14.8. So anyway, that was the SM mirror, and yeah, there's just a lot of story behind that. I really like it because I only got it for 50% off, so I was really happy. Okay, let's move on to here, this part. This part is my favorite part because it's just like, I was supposed to get like a double bed, but then for me though, like I don't even have a boyfriend, I'm single, so I'd rather just stay by myself. And like, boyfriends are just so annoying, to be honest. So this is the bed. My bed before, it was colored yellow, we just repainted it to gray, and all the cabinets, so I hope you guys appreciate it, because beds are really expensive, to be honest. Like one bed frame I was looking for, the one that has drawer types, it was like 36,000, so I don't want to spend that much already.
That's a lot.
So much.
Yeah.
And as you can see, the flooring is also different. It used to be like this old wood, but now it's wood, but it's new, so whatever. So anyway, and this is my favorite part. This is my favorite part. Vanity mirror, because I spent so much time here. And you know, I've always dreamed of this since I was a little girl. So my dad wouldn't buy me. He would rather just buy me like basketball shit. I mean, I don't even dream that well. So
I'll teach you.
I got this one from Vanity Station, Manila. First, it was like 30 inches too high. So I had it remade to 29.5. So just the right exact amount because I don't want it to be, what do you call that? So hard!
Customized.
Customized and safe. Then have it for 30 inches. And then I don't want to scratch it. Yeah, scratch it.
Right. Wait, going back to Kobe here. Kobe, hello. Okay, anyway, going back.
Again?
Behind the scenes.
Apa?
Ano ba yun?
Kuya, bayad na yan, no? Bayad na? Okay, bayad na siya. Let's go. Oh, by the way, guys, I also got that Dawn. That yellow doll. I like
A yellow door. Yes.
Yellow
Looks great.
Looks right. Okay. Anyway, excuse my fatness. I don't care. People can say, oh my god, you gained a lot of weight. Oh my god.
It's quarantena. There's no problemo in quarantena.
Right, so moving on. We also got this blinds. My friend told me that he got his for 1,300. Mine, I got it for 7,000, but it's with installation. So I was like, why didn't you tell me? You know what I mean? So I spent so much money on this one, but it's okay. I mean, it's an investment.
Oh,
Eventually,
muy rico.
you'll appreciate it. And this one's really cool. You don't want your room just be smelling like Thai food. So, yeah, that one. I also got this one from Shopee. And
Thank you, Shopee.
thanks, Shopee.
Ooh, green. Velvet.
And then I got this one, this, what do you call this?
Rack. TV rack.
TV rack from Shopee
It's
as
getting
well.
blurred,
It was
though.
really, getting blurred. So I got this TV rack for only 2,000. I mean, no, it was actually just 1,000 something. And at first, the TV didn't fit, but I had to remove the stand of the TV. So it worked out really well because I'm that smart. Baby, we're done. As you can see, guys, there's so much drawers up. And I wanted to have so many storage because I couldn't afford not having storage, you know. It's just a girl thing, a
See.
cute thing, a trans thing, because I have boy clothes, girl clothes, so I'm all over the place. So I also have here my bags, but I'm not going to show you guys that.
Okay.
Just a single bag. But I think 2 people can fit here.
See?
And this is my lamp, and then my favorite book at this moment. Even though I don't read books, because I only like reading books with pictures, because, you know, who wants to spend their time? I really appreciate books, to be honest. So, may load pa siya. It came with a load. Charot, bookmark lang yan. And then this one pala, guys, from SM, this one's from Shopee then. And it's really nice, so. Parang side table lang. Do you understand that? Like, I don't want to use too much compartments. Like, I would rather put it in one compartment and then just save this. I don't know how to explain it, but I have that kind of, I kind of have that. Alam mo yun, yung parang gagamit ka ng isang space, doon mo lalagay lahat kasi ayaw mo gamitin yung ano.
Oo, kasi gusto mo maging malinis ka lang.
Oo, tapos gusto mo maging malinis, parang gusto mo rin siyang i-save for something else. Parang ganun. Ang weird ko nga eh. Tapos yung mga damit ko, 70% ng mga damit ko, never ko pa sinusuot. Mas gusto ko pa ulit-ulit. Alam mo yun, ang weird ko, right?
No, eres mucho organizado.
Organized, is that what it is?
See?
So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and it's my birthday today. It's my party, and I'll cry if I want to. So bye, guys. Get out of my room.
Okay.
Get out.
Bye-bye.
So let's go ahead and talk about the expenses. The first major expense would be the mirror. It's around 10,500 pesos, including the bulbs. The diffuser only costs like 800, and there's so many more, but I'll just show you guys what I spent. The table, only 250 from Shopee, and the mirror is only 7,000 from 14,000 from SM. I also spent 14,500 on Lazada for this AC. I got an energy saving Iowa aircon, and it's 30% energy saving, so it's worth the buck. The whole construction itself cost about 140,000 pesos, or roughly 2,800, and it is one of the most stressful things I would have to admit to have done, because you just don't know how it's gonna turn out, and you're so nervous because you spent a lot of money, but it was worth it in the end. It's like giving birth to a baby boy. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. You have a great day and be safe out there.